Hi friends, today I brought a new concept which is really very useful for the kids. The concept is before. Today I am going to teach about the concept before. Generally, kids gets confused about the concept of before because it is really very little difficult for the kids to understand the concept before. To making it easy for the kids, I brought some new examples and good examples for the kids so that they can easily understand the concept. Today I am going to teach the concept of before. Okay, let's start. For understanding this concept, here I am taking numbers from 1 to 10. To understanding this concept, first the kids should know the numbers from 1 to 10. You know the numbers, Safi, from 1 to 10?
Yes, Mama.
You tell?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. To understand, if you know the numbers in reverse, then you can easily understand the concept.
Okay.
You know the numbers from 1 to 10, Safi?
Yes, Mama.
You know the numbers from 10 to 1 in reverse?
Yes, Mama.
Tell.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. You understand, huh?
Yeah.
You know. For this before concept, before is nothing but the number which comes before, which comes first. Pehle. You know pehle?
Yes.
See here. This is 1.
1.
This is 2. This is 3. See here. The first number is
1,
1 after.
2.
Here not we are learning about the before, not after. So see here. 1 comes before 2.
Before 2.
See here. 1 comes.
Before 2.
Understood? 2 comes.
Before 3.
3 comes.
Before 4.
4 comes.
Before 5.
5 comes.
Before 6.
6 comes.
Before 7.
7 comes.
Before 8.
8 comes.
Before 9.
9 comes.
Before 10.
Understood? Then before is nothing but the number which comes first to the number which is asked. For example, see here 2.
2.
2 before
1.
3. Here the number asked is 3. The before is nothing but the number which comes before the number which is asked to the number which is asked. For example, see here 3. Before 3?
Before 3.
And what is before 3?
2.
Understood? Means here 3. The number is 3. Before means first. First to number this. To this number we should see the before number 3. For 3 what is before?
2.
For 4 what is before?
3.
Understood? Now I will ask you some questions. You can answer, Afi. You understood the concept?
Yes.
What is before?
Pehle.
Pehle means first. See here. What is before? Before 2?
Before 2. 1.
Very good. What is before 3?
2.
Before 4?
3.
What is before 10?
9.
Understood? Very good. Now I will ask you some questions. I'll remove this. Now you tell. Now you tell. What is before 2?
1.
Understood? 1.
1.
If you don't know the concept, if it is hard for you, then you count from reverse. 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Here comes.
1.
Understood? Now I will ask you one more question. Now you tell. What comes here?
4.
4. If it's hard for you, what you do means you count from reverse.
Okay, Mama, let me count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Very good. 4. Understood?
Yes.
I will ask you one more question. I'll remove this. Now you tell. What is this? What comes here?
8. 10, 9, 8.
Very good. 8. Understood, no? If you don't know, you count from reverse.
Yes.
So it will be very easy for you to know the number what comes before. Understood? When you are teaching your kids, you explain them in this manner. Once they understand the concept about the before, then what you do means you remove all this.
What, Mama?
You take one number and then you ask, Afi, what comes before 6?
Before 6. 5.
Very good. Understood? Now you take one number and now you ask, what comes before 3?
2.
Understood? Easy, Afi?
Yes,
It's
Mama.
easy?
Yes.
Are you understanding the concept?
Yes, I like it.
What is this?
9.
What comes before 9? Before means first.
8.
Very good. Understood? Now you take one number. You take this 5. What comes before 5?
4.
Very good. 4 comes before 5. Understood?
Yeah,
It's really very easy, na?
yeah.
Once the kids once they understand the concept, then you take only one number, single number, and then you ask them what comes before that number. If they don't know, then you ask them to tell the numbers in reverse. Okay? Afi, what comes before 7?
7.
6. If you don't know, Afi, then what will you do? You count in reverse.
Yes,
From
Mama.
10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Very good. What comes before 7?
6.
Understood?
Yes, Mama.
So that kids can easily understand the concept. If they understand the concept, they never forget it. So, understanding the concept is very important for the kids.
Yes, Mama.
I'll take one more example. Okay? Here I have taken another example so that kids can easily understand about the before concept. What is this, Afi?
Strawberry.
You like strawberries?
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
Carrot, I like it too.
Okay, what is this?
Actually, I not like it.
You don't like? Okay. For understanding the before concept, Afi, see here. What is this?
Strawberry.
Strawberry is in which place? First place.
First place.
What is this?
Carrot.
Carrot is in
place.
middle place. Second place. Okay, middle place. What is this?
Actually, left place.
Last place.
Yes.
Okay, third place. Okay, I will ask you some questions, Afi. You know the concept of before? Before means?
Pehle.
Understood, na? You tell me what comes before carrot.
Before carrot. Strawberry.
Very good. Now tell me what comes before red chili.
Red chili. Carrot.
Understood? It's easy, na? Before.
Yes.
Before is nothing but pehle, which comes first to the number which we have asked. I'll change it. Now you tell, Afi. What comes before strawberry?
Before strawberry. Red chili.
Very good. What comes before carrot?
Strawberry.
Very good. I will add one more.
Okay,
What is
Mama.
this?
Brinjal.
Okay, now you tell. What comes before strawberry?
Before strawberry. Red chili.
Very good. What comes before red chili?
Before red chili.
Before red chili.
Before red chili. Brinjal.
Very good. Before means?
First.
Yeah, very good. What comes first to red chili?
Brinjal.
Very good. What comes before carrot?
Before carrot. Strawberry.
Very good. Now you understood the concept
Yes,
of
ma'am.
before. Before means
First.
first. In Hindi it's pehle. Okay. Understood?
Understood?
I will add one more. What is this?
Kiwi.
Okay. Now you tell, Afi. What comes before kiwi?
Before kiwi. Carrot.
Very good. Okay. Now you tell what comes before kiwi?
Before kiwi. Strawberry.
Very good. Now you tell, Afi, what comes before brinjal?
Before brinjal. Strawberry.
Understood? Now you understand clearly, no, Afi,
Yes, Mama.
about the concept of before?
Yes.
Before means?
First.
first. Understood? Understood, na? Which comes first to the number which is asked. Understood? Okay.